Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily create new groups and Google Groups. Let's begin. So this will be a very simple and straightforward process. Once you're on groups, you will notice this section on the left side, create group. Click on it. You can now name your group. For example, I'm just going to do any random groups in here or group names. And this is going to be the group email, right? Group description, you can just leave this blank as it is for now, and you can add it later on. Click next. Then you will have these privacy settings, so make sure they are set to group members, only invited users. This will make the group private. Everything in here are managed by the admins or the group owners. So click on next. From here, you can easily add your friends, colleagues by using their email address. All right. For example, I have one over here. All right. Just going to add this. You can add multiple people at once and send an invitation message. Completely optional. So create group. Just wait for a few seconds. Complete this captcha. Create group. And there you go. You can now click on the group so you can see everything, the beginning of this group so far. So you have it here like conversations, members, group settings, and membership settings, etc. And that's pretty much it. Creating a Google group only takes like a few minutes. It can be a great way to manage discussions, send announcements, and organize members in one central place. Once your group is set up, you can customize your settings over here, permissions, and membership options to fit your specific needs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.